Hey guys, wanna know how to highlight your eyes or edit your eyes easily using Lensa? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, launch your Lensa app. Now click on this plus icon right here to import any image that you like. Once your image is imported, you should be prompted with this page right here where you can freely edit your image. Now simply slide to the right side until you see look. Click on it, and then here you can see eyelashes, eye contrast, eyebrows, and highlights. You can edit them to make your eyes look better. After that, you can also head towards skin and make your eye bags less to make it look more better. Now you can also head towards shape and make bigger eyes. Slide it to the right side for bigger ones. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Just simply click save when you're done, and then your picture will automatically be saved to your gallery. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.